Hey everybody, this is Andrew from TS for Tech, and today I'm taking a look at a new device from ESR. This is what they're calling their HaloLock wireless power bank. So as you can see, it's kind of meant to be a MagSafe power bank to connect to your iPhone. It has obviously a magnetic lock. So just taking a look at this, it says it's a lithium polymer battery, 10,000 milliamp hour. That's the battery capacity. The rated capacity is 5,800 milliamp hours. So that's you do get a loss through the wireless charging versus if you were directly charging via a cable. So basically, again, this is a white power bank, ESR. I'll go ahead and open this up. This might be a fairly quick video because it's just a pretty simple device. Open the box. A little bit of a picture here. This is a part of their broader HaloLock system, so they have a bunch of different accessories and stands and things like that that kind of fit their branding here. So in the package, you basically get the charger, USB-C to USB-C cable, and a guide. And I should mention, this does support charging multiple devices, so you can use this as a regular charger by just plugging in, because that USB-C port is an input and an output, so you can charge up the device with USB-C and also can charge a device with the USB-C. So that's a good thing to have, because otherwise you would just be able to use it wirelessly, which probably wouldn't make a ton of sense. So here's what it looks like. There's a little bit of a button here, so if you press it, shows you the charge level. Yeah, it basically has this rubber pad on the back, so kind of like a silicone pad. I've got my iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, it connects right there. Light turns green, that it's charging. And if I go to, you can see it is got the charge icon, although this phone is charged up, so it doesn't really, but you do see the charge icon, so that it does show that it's working. And you can also turn it off, it stops charging, turn it on. And 100% charged. But you do see the charge icon up there, so it knows that it is attached to the phone. Yeah, so basically pretty cool. So then if you have a USB-C to Lightning or a USB-C for charging something else, you can easily just plug into this. You don't have to have it on the phone. So all in all, this is a pretty cool device. It has a little bit of a soft touch material on it, so kind of like a matte satin feel. This is white. I think they might have, I don't know if they have any other colors other than white. I'll have to check that, and I'll link to more details about this in the description of the video. Like I said, pretty quick video, just showing you, what this looks like. And it's a size comparison to the phone itself. It's not tiny, but again, it does have a 10,000 milliamp hour battery capacity. And it does stick pretty good. I don't know, I can't really measure the pounds of force needed to take it off, but I mean, I could shake this and it's not gonna, come off very easily. So, you can see. Hopefully you can tell. I mean, it sticks on there. And then the silicone keeps it, I think, probably from slipping as well, because it's a little bit grippy. So this is the ESR HaloLock wireless power bank. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. I'll be sure to answer. This is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.